Did you know that there are 2.5 quintillion bytes of data that are created every single day? If not, well, there's a language that allows you to cut through all that and get exactly what you want within your data in a single line. Welcome to SQL. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the standard language for interacting with relational databases, which are the most common type of structured database that developers work with today. Every major database like pSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and SQL Server speaks with the language SQL. SQL has 4 core operations, which are denoted by the acronym CRUD: create, read, update, and delete. Everything that you do in a database will map to one of those operations. The most fundamental SQL statement is called select. Select tells the database what you want, so the exact fields. From tells it where to look, which specific table or view. For example, select name, email from customers, so you get 2 columns from the customers table. If you want every column, you use a star operator, so select star from customers will get all the columns from the customers table. If you want to filter results, you add a where clause, so select star from customers where country equals USA. Get all the columns from the customers table where you have the USA as your country. Where also supports operators like equals, greater than, less than, the like operator for pattern matching with strings, and in for matching a list of values. Now there are other operations as well. Order by is an operator that allows you to sort your results, with ask for ascending and desc for descending. For example, select star from products, order by price descending, so you take all the rows in the products table and you order them by price in descending order. Limit caps how many rows are returned in your final result, so select star from products, order by price descending with a limit of 10, so you return the top 10 rows from the products table with the lowest prices. As will create an alias or a temporary rename label for any column or table in your result. For example, so we can select name as customer name and email as contact from the customers table. Furthermore, we can do things like data insertion. Insert will add new rows. For example, insert into customers for 2 attributes, name and email, values like Sarah and sarah@email.com. This is just one example. Update will modify existing rows, so you always pair it with a where clause, otherwise you'll change everything within that table. For instance, you can update the customers table and set email equal to new@email.com where the ID is equal to 5, assuming that ID is a unique identifier. The delete row will remove rows, and the same warning applies as it does for update. For example, a query might be delete from customers where ID is equal to 5. So to wrap it all up, select, where, order by, insert, update, and delete are the 6 core commands within SQL at a fundamental level that allow you to do almost anything within a SQL database. I'm making more videos like these in this SQL and data engineering series. If you like this video, be sure as always to like, comment, share, subscribe, and mention your thoughts down below in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.